Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to do room tour in the hotel where we're staying at the moment, which is Mantra on Murray Perth, and this is King Studio Room. If you are looking to book a room there, this video might help. So this is the main door, and on my right hand side there's another door, which is this one is the door to the bathroom. And next to the bathroom, there's another door, which is this one is just like another extra space, and they also provided extra tuna in there. Move to the living room and also kitchen. The lighting in this room is very poor, plus no enough window. Let's move to the main bedroom. So actually in this one is single bed, but they join and move together, become king size bed. And this is the only window in our studio. That's why the room is very dark, because it's not enough lights or not enough window. But I think because of the position, they couldn't put more windows, so this is the only window, and the view is beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.